Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, clinical features of Alzheimer's disease. In the clinical features, a patient with Alzheimer's disease will have episodic memory loss. He forgets things episodically. That is, sometimes he forgets things and sometimes he will not forget. He will remember things. So that is episodic memory loss. So this episodic memory loss is the first symptom to be noted, and most commonly he will forget his name. Then there can be nominal aphasia can be there where the patient forgets his name in nominal aphasia. So this nominal aphasia where the patient forgets the name of the objects, name of certain objects like clock. If he sees the he might forget the name of the clock, like that. And there can be loss of visual spatial skill is lost. That is, he is unable he is unable to find the objects, and he is unable to go to certain places. All of that is lost. The patient can have anosognosia. What is anosognosia? Anosognosia is the patient is unaware that he has this problem. The patient is unaware of his forgetfulness. He doesn't know that he has this issue of forgetfulness. He has difficulty in following the commands. That is apraxia is said, where the patient has difficulty in following the commands. Almost 10% of the patients will have Capgras syndrome. We will see what Capgras syndrome is in a minute. So in 10% of patients will have Capgras syndrome. Later, the patient will also present with myoclonic jerks may be seen in the patients, and also the patient can develop primitive reflexes. These primitive reflexes that the patient might develop include the patient can have sucking reflexes or rooting reflexes may be found in the patient. Now, in these, the course of this Alzheimer's disease is almost the course of this Alzheimer's disease for the patient to develop all the above symptoms. It takes around 8 to 10 years to develop. Then, what is Capgras syndrome? Capgras syndrome is clearly learnt in psychiatry, but actually, Capgras syndrome is actually a delusion where the patient believes that the family member, like his wife or someone, is mainly replaced by a identical looking stranger. That means the patient thinks that his wife, if a husband is there and the husband has Capgras syndrome, and if the wife is sitting beside him, then the husband fights with the wife, telling that she is not his wife and she is some other person who is exactly looking like his wife, and that some other person has replaced her wife, and he starts fighting with his own wife. So that is Capgras syndrome, where he thinks that a family member is replaced by an identical looking stranger. So this Capgras syndrome is also called as delusional misidentification syndrome.
thank you and thank you for watching.